Welcome to Best Buy New Invention Gadgets. Today video about Galaxy S22 Ultra. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is a phone designed for hardcore users, since it inherits the Galaxy Note line's finest feature, while also providing a slew of other enhancements. Samsung improved the S Pen's responsiveness by making it 70% faster and with less latency. The display is also extremely bright, with a brightness rating of 1750 nits. With the Galaxy S22 Ultra, you can now receive faster 45W charging, which will charge that massive 5000 mAh battery to 50% in just 20 minutes. The cameras on the Galaxy S22 Ultra have received the most changes, as Samsung aims to surpass the iPhone 13 Pro Max and Google Pixel 6 Pro as the greatest photography phone with a slew of improvements. A larger primary sensor for better low-light images, an AI-enhanced portrait mode, and a new super clear lens are among them. Samsung, on the other hand, is charging a premium for a phone that now has less RAM than before, and the S22 Ultra is $100 to $300 more expensive than its primary competitors. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is now available for pre-order, with a February 25th release date. Unfortunately, you'll only receive 8 GB of RAM to begin with this time around, whereas the previous Galaxy S21 Ultra's entry-level version came with 12 GB. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is uncomplicated yet gorgeous. I enjoy the clean, squared-off angles, as well as the fact that the cameras aren't hidden behind a honking hump. They are more flush with the handset's rear. The overall appearance is simple and tidy. Another advantage is that the 6.8-inch display is gently curved, which adds aesthetic appeal while preventing accidental screen presses. The Galaxy S22 Ultra has an Armor metal frame with a Gorilla Glass Victus Plus back, which makes it feel sturdy and durable. Phantom Black, Phantom White, Green, and Burgundy are among the Galaxy S22 Ultra's color possibilities. I don't usually use a case, so I'd definitely go with the Phantom Black model. With the Galaxy S22 Ultra, Samsung has raised the bar on display quality. A dynamic 120Hz refresh rate is provided, as before, allowing for seamless scrolling during our hands-on time. In addition, gamers will like the 240Hz touch sampling rate. However, there are two noteworthy display enhancements here. The first is the screen's peak brightness of 1750 nits, which may be the most we've ever seen. A new Vision Booster feature, which can change the screen's brightness throughout the day, is the second display benefit. This implies that using the S22 Ultra outside, even in direct sunlight, should be no problem. The S Pen on the Galaxy S22 Ultra is the smoothest I've ever used, thanks to Samsung's reduction in delay from 9 milliseconds to 2.8 milliseconds. So you're seeing a 70% improvement in this area. Furthermore, the Galaxy S22 Ultra employs artificial intelligence to anticipate your hand movements and replicate the experience of a pen and paper. The best part is that, unlike the Galaxy S21 Ultra, you won't need a silly case to store the S Pen. The phone has a S Pen holder built right in. The Galaxy S22 Ultra has a larger 2.4 pixel sensor that captures more light and data, as well as a super clear glass lens that prevents flares in nighttime films. A 12MP ultra-wide lens is included, as well as dual 10MP telephoto cameras with a combined 10x optical zoom and 100x space zoom. With its camera system, Samsung appears to be doubling down on computational photography. Adaptive pixel technology merges 9 pixels into 1 for better photographs in low light, improved AI high-res processing, and 4x faster multi-frame processing are all available. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is one of the first phones to have Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, a 4nm device that promises improved CPU and graphics performance while reducing power consumption. In international markets, Samsung will provide its own 4nm Exynos 2200 chip. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is available for $1,199. 512GB costs $1,299, and 1TB costs $1,599. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.